Hi friends, welcome back. So today I'm going to be reviewing a henna product. I was contacted by this company named Mihenna. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it's Mihenna, and they have a collection of different henna products and stencils and stuff like that. And I picked out one of their kits, specifically the Mandala henna kit, so that comes with mandala stencils, and I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing that today. I just got the package like a couple days ago. A little bit about the company: it's still fairly small. It was started in 2018 by a first generation Indian American, so still very new company, but this is really exciting that I get to try this out. I have tried henna before with some friends. I have a friend who is Bengali and she did some henna on her wedding, and also like when we were younger, we are high school friends and we used to go to like Central Park and stuff and hang out, have a picnic and do henna and stuff. So I have tried it before. It's really cool. It's kind of like a temporary tattoo. So yeah, I figured why not? Let's give it a go. And yeah, so that's what we're doing today. So this is what the little box that it came in looks like. So it's got a cute little design of a hand here, and it says hello Mihenna fun. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Henna tattoo kit. So here are some instructions for how to do it. Not sure what that is yet. Stencils. These are all really cute. And of course the actual henna is at the bottom of the kit, already in the little, what are they called? I don't know what these are called, but the little dispenser things that they come in. So usually you just cut the tip and squeeze it from the top. So yeah, and it says what is in it, the ingredients, so that's cool. Okay, so I just read the instructions, and you are supposed to cut the sticker stencil, put it on the area you're going to be doing the henna in. Then it says to remove the needle from the cone, and if that doesn't work, then cut the tip. Then apply the henna. Then then you wait for 2 hours. After that, you peel the sticker off, apply coconut oil, and it looks like this is the coconut oil, because it's shown in the picture. And yeah, it says to use the coconut oil to moisturize it, protect from water exposure, and avoid washing it for 5 hours after paste removal. So yeah, I'm gonna pick which stencil I want to use and get started. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this stencil, and I'm going to put it on the back of my hand. I was considering doing my palm too, but I might do that at a later date, just because I want to be able to use my hand and to use my palm if I want to do something else today. So I'm gonna do the back of my hand. So yeah, let's cut this in half and apply it. Okay, so I cut it out and I cut around it a little bit just so it makes it easier for me to like center it, because it is kind of big. It takes up my whole palm. I'm a small person, I have small hands. So all right, let's do this. This is really cute. Alright, see if I can show this to you. Trying to center it. Probably about there. Alright. Yeah, that's gonna wrap around a little bit, but that's cool. Alright, there it is. Now all we have to do is apply the henna. Alright, so I'm gonna pull the little pin. Oh, that's pretty long. Okay, it says thick layer of henna. Use spatula to... Oh, okay, so that's what's in here. Use spatula to spread it evenly. Alright, cool. Okay, so I actually cut a little bit of a slit on either end here because I can see it kind of puckering up. I pulled the pin and it is actively coming out, so let's do this. I'm just kind of going for it. I think I'm just gonna apply, go around and apply it into the empty parts of the stencil, the negative space, and then just use the little spatula to spread everything around so that it's all even. It's coming out really well though. Like it was, I'll show you later. I have a big glob of it on a paper towel here because it was just like spilling out. Alright, let's spread that around a bit. I think I definitely need to add more because it did say thick layer. So I'm gonna spread this around and probably add some more. Yeah, I definitely need more still. Spread. I'm just trying to go over all of the holes, make sure the stencil is covered. Alright, I think I'm gonna add a little bit more on the ends here, and then I am probably good for to just wait. Wait for it to dry. It's a little hard to do it and like get it in all the cracks, but the stencil definitely helps, and it feels kind of nice. It's like it's very cool. The temperature, like it feels cold where the stencil is right now, but it's nice. I am going to use that glob that's on the piece of paper and just spray it around. Why not? Let's not waste that. I hope this actually comes out well, but we'll see. That's why we're here. Okay, it's pretty much applied. So yeah, now I just have to wait and let this sit for 2 hours. So I will be back in 2 hours. Okay, the 2 minutes is up. Let's peel this off. Ooh, that's sticky. Oh wow, that came off really well. Just a little bit of chunks here. It says to not use water, but to use the coconut oil to rub off the rest of it. This is a cute little container too. Just gonna put the oil all over it. And as you can see, it's pretty light right now, but theoretically it fades the more time passes, over like 24 hours, I think. But yeah, let me get those little bits off. Alright. Cool. That's what it looks like right now. I will probably record a video later of how it looks as it gets darker. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Hi, so it's the next day. This is what the henna looks like. It's pretty cute. I did notice that on this side it's lighter, and that's probably because this moved around some more, so it didn't stick as well, like because it's by the thumb. And over here there was a little bit of a too much that came out from under the stencil, but otherwise it's really cool. It's cute, I like it, and technically I think it is supposed to get even darker because it's up to 48 hours and it's been like 24 hours. So yeah, but this is what it looks like now. It's cute. I like the little flowers, and I like all the stencils that came with the kit. But yeah, it's really nice, and thank you again to, I'm not sure if it's Mihenna or Mihenna, but thank you, and I am going to enjoy using the rest of these. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you liked it, please leave me a like and comment below if you have any questions. I don't have any henna videos on my channel, but I'm an artist and I do makeup and hair dye and I cosplay, and yeah, if you like any of that, go check it out and hit subscribe, and hopefully I will see you on the next video. Bye.